Be still. Pause muna. Siguro maraming nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon at gulong-gulo ka na. Di mo alam anong uunahin at siguro wala ka pang solusyon sa mga problema mo. Pero alam mo, just be still. Be still and pray. And let God talk to you. Hayaan mo siyang magsalita sa'yo. Hayaan mo siyang palakasin ka. Hayaan mo siya na magbigay ng wisdom sa'yo. Ayon sa Psalm 46 verse 10, Be still and know that I am God. Pinapaalala sa atin ni Lord na hindi ikaw ang Diyos. Hindi mo kayang isolve lahat. At kung ano pang bagyo ang dadaan sa buhay mo, huwag nating kalimutan na nandyan siya. Kaya tumigil ka muna. Take a deep breath and acknowledge God's power in your life. Malalagpasan mo rin yan. By being still, you're deepening your faith and trust in God. And the deeper your faith is, the stronger you become. It's like a tree. The deeper its roots are, the stronger it can stand any kind of storm. My prayer for you is that you find time to be with God so you can listen to Him and be strengthened by Him.